this is what we're gonna make today. A little stew, and our protein of choice will be texture protein cut in cubes. Stay cozy and let's get started. Let's make a really easy, cozy soy cubes as our protein, and it's gonna be like roast style, really easy and simple to make. It's winter, so most of the things that we're gonna do is kind of cheating, or I would say intelligent, quite smart, because we're gonna use a lot of frozen veggies, frozen onions, frozen garlic, frozen sweet potatoes. If you don't have sweet potatoes, you can also use normal potatoes. However, because I'm using, and I will be using tomato cubes, I do think you need a type of sweetener, so that's why we are using sweet potato in this recipe instead of normal potatoes. First, you're gonna chop all your things. You're gonna need onions. As I already said, you can just get them frozen. Onions, soy cubes, sage. If you don't have sage, I do also think you can use rosemary. However, it's quite a different profile, so go find sage. Then you're gonna need peppers. I use orange pepper. You can use any type of pepper. I just think maybe the green ones are too strong. I would not advise you that. Besides that, go for it. Then you will need canned tomatoes. You will need salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, nutmeg and cumin, olive oil, and red wine. Add some extra water for the broth, and you will have your delicious meal. I left mine, and I did mine in the morning, left it sitting just for the soy cubes to absorb as much flavor as possible. And now, I think it's been like 5 hours or so, we are cooking everything, slow cooking, and it's gonna be served with a salad and white rice. Really simple, really easy recipe to follow. I hope you enjoy it. Before the food is almost ready, like your minced garlic, and add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You want some acidity to the meal. Me on this. So I forgot to mention that I did add sun-dried tomatoes. That is optional, but sun-dried tomatoes it's always nice in this type of meals that are quote-unquote meat heavy. There's no meat, you know what I mean. Let me show you what it looks like. The sauce has been reduced. It has been going on for about an hour now. So look at it. Doesn't this look delicious? Our rice is ready. The salad is also ready. So we're ready to eat. see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.